Hank is typically run from a 3-by-1 or trips formation with 3 receivers to one side and a single receiver and running back to the other. The first route in the progression is a sit route by the number 3 receiver at 5 to 7 yards over the center. The second route in the progression is a 12-yard curl route by either outside receiver. We'll talk about how we decide which curl to progress to a little later. The third route in the progression is a flat route by the number 2 receiver or a swing route by the running back. The quarterback will take a 3-step drop from the shotgun or 5-step drop from under center and throw the sit route at the top of the drop if the number 3 receiver is uncovered. But let's say the sit route is covered from the right. We now know we have a 2-on-1 advantage on the flat defender with the curl and flat routes out to the right. If the flat defender widens with the flat route, the quarterback will reset his feet and throw to the uncovered curl route as his second option. If the flat defender drops under the curl, the quarterback will reset his feet again and throw to the flat route as his third option. Now let's say the sit route is covered from the left. We should have a 2-on-1 advantage on the flat defender with the curl and swing routes to the left. If the flat defender widens with the swing, the quarterback resets his feet and throws to the curl route as his second option. If the flat defender sits under the curl, the quarterback resets his feet again to throw to the swing route as his third option.
Now let's take it to the field. Here's Hank out of our 3-by-1 trips right formation. First, let's talk about the code words we use to train. As you take your drop and progress through the concept, you will call out the name of each route in time with your footwork. So for Hank, you would say sit as you reach the top of your drop. If you want to throw the ball, add the word rip. Rip is our code word for throwing the ball. So if you wanted to throw the sit, you would say sit rip. The first option in the progression is the sit route by the number 3 receiver. As you reach the top of your drop, we can see he's covered from the right, so we won't throw to him. Just say sit. Since the sit is covered from the right, we should have a 2-on-1 advantage on the flat defender to the right. Look to the curl on the right. The flat defender has followed the flat route by the number 2 receiver, so the curl is open. Reset your feet and say curl rip. That's it. You're ready to walk through this rep in slow motion.
Now try it again at full speed.